Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we'll be doing the project unboxing of MGR Divine Meadows, which is located in Chikka Tirupati Road of Sarjapur, Bangalore. And this project is developed by MGR Builders. And in this video, we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, internal and external both with the parking provision, master plan, floor plan, unit plan with the current construction status of the project and even about the position. But before starting the video, let me show you the actual surrounding of the project. So right now we are standing on the main entrance of the project. So this is the main entrance and the land parcel. And now about the marketing office. So once you enter from this main entrance, on the left hand side is the marketing office. Now let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is going to be shared with multiple brokers, ultimately resulting with too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's start with the project overview with the help of this miniature. So the project is spread across total of 25 acres of land parcel where phase 1 is developed in 15 acres with 137 villas having 4 BHK, 4.5 BHK and 5 BHK villas of ground plus 2 structures having 2 car parkings. Additionally, they are also launching with phase 2 very soon. So stay tuned with us for more updates. Now let's discuss about the location part, and as mentioned, this project is located on Chikka Tirupati Road near Sarjapur, Bangalore. So let me show you that this is the Chikka Tirupati Road and this road will connect you towards Chikka Tirupati and the opposite side road will take you towards Sarjapur. Now coming to the further connectivity and location of the project. So you can connect to upcoming Prestige Forum Mall in 4 kilometers from the project. Spandana Super Speciality Hospital is 3.5 kilometers away. And even you can connect to Wipro Koretti in just 5.5 kilometers from the project. Now about the amenities part, and the first one is internal amenities. So let me inform you that the project provides you with the Italian marble, vitrified flooring, one media room on top. Here's a digital door lock for security purpose and many more amenities, including, let me mention you one more thing, that the villas will be having no common walls. Now about the amenities part, and the project will provide you world-class amenities like here's the Grand Clubhouse with swimming pool and indoor amenities. Other amenities like kids play area, garden area, amphitheater, open gymnasium and many more amenities. Coming to the parking provision, so the villa will be having 2 car parking facilities, so you can have a look at the space as well. Now about the master plan, and this is the master plan of MGR Divine Meadows. As you can see in the image, the project consists of 137 villas in the massive land parcel. Now about some of the unit plan. So this is the unit plan of 4 BHK villa, 3195 square feet, and this is the unit plan of 5 BHK villa of 3485 square feet super built up area. Now coming to the construction status and even about the position of the project. So let me mention that as you can check out in the background, the construction structure of the villas is ready, only the finishing work is going on. So if you are looking for ready to move in villas, then this project suits you perfectly. And let me inform you one more thing, that the amenities including the clubhouse and swimming pool will be handed over within 6 months from the date. So everyone, this was a project unboxing of MGR Divine Meadows located on Chikka Tirupati Road of Sarjapur, Bangalore, a project developed by MGR Builders.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project unboxing videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.